Alright, well, as you see, I'm currently in the bathtub. And the reason why is last night I went to go take a shower and it looked like I was taking a shower with a garden hose. And the reason why is because of that right there. The gasket broke. So I fished it out and I went to a hardware store to get a new gasket, and lo and behold, they didn't sell just the gasket. No, they sold the repair kit. So in the repair kit, it consists of the gasket and the nylon part that connects to the plunger here, like that blocks off your water. Well, it was a universal one. So this universal one costs $13.99. That's Bidenomics for you. So even though this ain't the right color, for 18 bucks, I just got a whole brand new one. I mean, why not? So we're gonna put her on. Now you need Teflon tape, and you take the Teflon tape, you wrap around the threads here. Be sure to clean these threads off of the old Teflon, because you don't want the old Teflon meshing with the new Teflon, because it will not work. So, there we go. Like that. Break her off. And there we go. Okay, so there's that. Now, we open up the new one. Ooh, pretty. But don't go chrome it. Now, these threads here are fine, though. Take your time, because you don't want to mesh this nylon all up and ruin it. So remember, go clockwise with it. And there we go. Okay, let's just fire up and see what happens. There we go. Look at that. There you go, she's fixed. Now, I asked the guy and he already said he's got some loose covers and whatnot, so I'll be changing that out later. That solves the problem right there of low pressure for your shower head. But that's all for now. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button, and see y'all later. Bye.